Okay, what does it all come with, Amelia?
Did you see the fresh fruit
It comes with a credit card, coins, and it comes with some princess dollars. And there's more inside. Let's see. You keep all your princess money in there. And it has lots of buttons.
And you can swipe your credit card.
Yeah, do you know how? You swipe it in there.
Mmm, these look delicious.
Yeah.
In there.
Okay. You just slide it. You press the buttons, and it tells you how much money you need. Comes with a pen.
Hi, I'd like to buy this banana.
How much money does it cost? $1?
Yeah.
There's my picture on it.
Yeah. Say that'll be $1, please.
Here you go, ma'am. Thank you.
You put the money in the drawer. Good job. Yay.
Hello.
Hi.
I want to buy this box of cookies, please. How much do I owe you? Oh,
There you go.
here you go. Thank you. Oops, there's some more. Have a nice day. I'm gonna get the cookies now. $10?